Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Google Colab. Basically Colab is used for Python programming. Colab is a free cloud-based Jupyter notebook environment and it's specifically used to write and execute the Python code. So in this video we will try to learn how to use Colab and how we can execute the Python programming on this Google Colab. So just simply type Colab, just open it. See, once you open the Google Colab, here it's showing like open notebook. Just create your new notebook. Okay. Now, if you want to change a name for this project, then just write a test. And one more thing, the Colab is used for Python programming. Suppose if you don't want to install anything, means this is a browser specific, means you can run the Python programming or Python code on browser only. So simply, once you create the notebook, just name your notebook like test. The extension is like IPYNB, and now you can just start your Python program. So I just create programming over here, so we can just go step by step. So in part 1 we can just understand some basic programming. So like first task is like even number. I just paste this, so I'll just show you how we can use this. So simply run. So syntax of Python is like list for number in numbers, and we just find out the even numbers. So see, now Python is running and print number. Okay, now we can just check the dictionary and average. So here we can just copy this and we just try to execute this. Simply just click on run all, and here we are getting the average mark 85. Third task is like function creation. Function creation means in Python we just need to use def keyword to create the function. I'll just share this all in description. So see here my calculate.average. This is my function and we are just passing some values, and we just in return some marks divided by length marks. So my length is come. Okay, so this is a very simple. Now we just in part 2 we just try to learn what is the exact thing, is how exact we are used in AI's perspective. So now we need to just install NumPy inside this Colab. So simply just type this command. Just simply run it. Now it's import. Here it's showing like green mark. Now we need to run this. See here I'm just use this np dot array, and we just pass some values over there, and using print, first we just try to print this array. Using np variable we just try to print mean and their deviation. Now we just try to execute it. See, we are getting the results using numpy as well. So in this way you can just use a Colab. You just create your notebook and just try to execute everything Python programming over there. It's a totally free browser specific, and you can execute any Python code. For learning purpose it is the best. You can use anytime and it's totally free. You just log in using any Google account and just try to learn Python programming. Also here I already um, shared how we can use the Colab in VS Code. I already installed. I just added how we can install this. I already added this video. And here one more thing, Python extension is also important. So this Python extension you can also install over there. Okay, so I think we are good. I hope you understand how we can use Colab. This is a very useful. Okay, thank you guys.